Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today. I'm bringing you guys a food video. I am back with my food videos. I haven't posted anything about food and cooking in such a long time, and I feel like it was such a big part of my YouTube at first. To kickstart my food videos, I thought I would do something fun, and I thought I would challenge myself to eat for a full day like Anna Archer Fitness. Now, if you don't know Anna, she is an incredible, insane, gorgeous, inspiring, everything you could have human being, and she is amazing. She has taught me so many things about nutrition, health, working out in such an incredible way that I am forever grateful to this girl. And she started her social media account just at the end of her body transformation, and essentially her way of losing weight was with low calorie volume eating. So she started sharing these amazing recipes, and she started sharing basically everything that she was eating throughout the day. And she was eating a lot. I mean, this girl eats a lot, but she was just showing how, you know, you don't have to restrict yourself. Again, it's all about moderation, like everything in life. And she's actually, I think, nearly 1 million TikTok. It's crazy. I kind of regard myself as being one of those OG fans, because I actually started following her from the start of her fitness journey, fitness account, and I actually found her through YouTube. At first, I was like kind of watching her videos and I was just mesmerized by everything she was saying. But I thought I would recreate some of her best and yummy recipes, well, at least my favorites. Just a disclaimer, in this video, I won't be necessarily focusing or talking about calories that much, but I will be talking about food and the idea of losing weight. And if you're someone that does get triggered about this topic or anything regarding this topic, I really advise you to stop watching this video, because I wouldn't want anyone to get upset. I also wanted to share something, you could say personal, it's not really personal, but something which I haven't really touched upon or spoken about in my videos. Food, cooking and nutrition is probably one of my biggest passions. Why not share that on my platforms? I truly felt like I'm not a professional. I shouldn't be sharing information about nutrition and food and working out and things to people if I haven't actually studied. I just wanted to share my experience. I want to share my knowledge. I'm someone that has researched in our life so much about nutrition. I'm not a professional, so I wouldn't be here claiming and stating facts. So everything that I will be sharing now and in the future, my own experiences and what works and what has worked or hasn't worked for me. I really believe that I could be helping people out there that they felt like I have in the past and like I do right now. And I also think that I had like a little confidence boost when I started my TikTok account. If you see results from what you're doing, people want to see that. Definitely I will be posting more about food, and if you're interested, please go and check out my TikTok account. I post basically every day what I eat in a day and the foods and the recipes which I make, which are super yummy. So if you guys are curious or excited to find out what I'll be eating today, please keep on watching. Also, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, it will help me out a lot. And yeah, good morning. So I woke up really early. Sorry about my cat. Really early. It's 9 o'clock. It's my day off, so I usually sleep until 12. I don't want to talk too much because I am starving, so we're gonna go and make some breakfast. Gonna make a yummy smoothie bowl. I just found out that my mom just threw away my red berries, so I'm really angry right now, but we're gonna still have to do it. I have some banana and some frozen grapes. I don't know what that means, but I will make something work. Okay, so I'm currently sat in bed. I'm not ashamed to say this. I just love having breakfast in bed and relaxing. Since it is my day off, I still feel like I should be having breakfast in bed. So we're gonna have a little taste test, and this looks incredible. Oh my god, I did not expect it to taste this good. I have such a sweet tooth and this just hits every note of that. And obviously I am watching the queen herself, Anna. So I just got ready to go on a walk. As Anna says, one of the most important things is walking. I walk every day anyway. I try to do 10k steps a day, and I usually split my walks morning and afternoon just to switch it up. Can't wait to go for a walk, get my body moving, and then make a yummy lunch. Honestly, I'm so excited for my lunch. The weather is beautiful. Okay, it's lunchtime. I'm going to be making my Nourish bowl and I'm going to show you all my ingredients. As I am really hungry in the meantime, you know when you're cooking and you're really hungry and the first thing you would do is to go and snack on some crisps? No, we're not going to be doing that today. I'm going to be snacking on some melon instead, because obviously melon is the best thing to exist in the world, and Anna loves her melon as well, so I just thought it goes in the theme. But I eat melon 100 times a day. That's like my go-to fruit. You know, I'm someone that I love my veggies, but I don't like when veggies are soft. So I like all of my veggies to be crunchy, have lots of flavour and spice. So I decided I'm just gonna put them in the oven and just let them get quite crunchy. I just sprayed some low-calorie spray, and then I added a bit of garlic because we love garlic, and then some salt and pepper. And yeah, so this is ready to go in the oven. And I also have some cauliflower rice prepped, and then some giant couscous, you know, just to add in there to give it a bit of spice. Okay, so my veggies are ready. I've taken them out from the oven. I did burn them a little bit, so they're a bit extra crunchy, but it's not too bad. These are the veggies. So my Nourish bowl is ready. Look how yum! That looks so good. Okay, so we have some baby corn, some cucumber and tomatoes, some tuna, which is just hidden over there with some sweet corn, some giant couscous, some green veggies, some Greek yogurt, and underneath that we have some avocado, so that's banging. Hello friends, so I am back. It's been a few hours since lunch. I don't know why, but for some reason I'm really hungry, and I usually have quite a small appetite, so it doesn't make any sense because that bowl was huge. As I was eating it, I was like, I'm gonna be sick because it was so obviously filling. There were so many vegetables and my body's not obviously used to eating that much in one portion, but I ate every bit of it because it was delicious, and I was like, I'm not throwing that away. That's going into my tummy. But since it's been a few hours, I think that it's definitely time to make some brownies. Yes, you heard me, brownies. So on Anna's Instagram, there is this beautiful recipe, which is essentially chocolate brownies with crushed Oreos, and each little square is only 38 calories. That is incredible. But since I don't have Oreos, I thought I would make the same batter but add Biscoff biscuits instead. So we're gonna start off with this huge sweet potato. I'm actually gonna cut a little bit because that's really big. I'm gonna remove the skin because I don't know whether I'm meant to leave the skin in or not, because I don't want to be chewing on a piece of brownie and having sweet potato skin between my teeth. Okay, so I'm just boiling the sweet potato. I'm not sure how long that's gonna take because I thought it was gonna take 10 minutes. I was obviously wrong. So I'm just gonna play by ear. Is that a saying? I'm just gonna go and touch it every like 2 minutes and see if it's soft enough to mash. We're gonna need 50 grams of egg whites. So we're gonna have to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. And then the recipe says to add some vanilla flavor drops. So I don't have vanilla, but I have the 0-calorie drops, hazelnut and the toffee, and I thought like these two would taste unreal in the brownie, so I'm gonna mix both of them. I'm gonna add some flax seeds inside of there just to give it a bit of texture when you bite it in. Okay, so next I am technically meant to put the peanut butter, but I don't have any peanut butter decided. I'm literally gonna add like the tiniest spoon of butter because we're trying to make this low calorie, and okay, teaspoon. Oh. Okay, so the potatoes are ready. Mash these up. Voila, all nice and mashed. Okay, so now that we have the potatoes ready, we're just gonna go and add them. This looks delicious, look at that. Okay, so now that our batter is ready, and I'm so excited. Oh, got a bit of chocolate on my face. This looks so good and it smells amazing. We're gonna go and add it to the little baking tray. I thought I had a square one, but clearly I don't. So I'm just gonna use the little banana bread tray that I use for. And to not let it stick, I'm just gonna use the coconut 1 calorie spray. I'm also preheating the oven at around 180 degrees. So here we have our little tray with the little batter in. So we're gonna go and add some crushed Oreos, Biscoff biscuit. So I've just added the Lotus biscuit. I actually just added two were just enough, don't need more. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now. The brownies are ready, taking them out. Oh, so pink. This is the end result. They look so good. Okay, so I've just cut the brownie little pieces, but I think that it needs to set for a little bit. So I've literally just cut this little piece. These taste so good. They are so good. I've just popped out the house again to go on my second walk, and it's -3, so I'm really proud of myself for sticking through this. It's freezing, it's pitch black, I'm sorry. Could I go back home as soon as possible? It's dinner time. I'm so excited. So dinner is like my favorite meal of the entire day, and the recipe which I chose from Anna's Instagram post is the pesto courgette pasta, which looks incredible. So I'm going to be spiralizing the courgettes to make the little courgette noodles, and then I'm going to be adding some corn chicken pieces to add some protein, and then some cherry tomatoes. Okay, so to actually make the pasta, we're going to be using this vegetable spiralizer, which I got from Amazon, quite cheap. So I just got this. Is that what I'm supposed to go? This is so cool. I feel like I'm doing it right, but I feel it's not as thin as I thought they would be. I'm gonna saute it. Is that how you say? Saute anyways, because we don't want to cook them, we want to heat them, otherwise they become soggy and weird. Oh my god, I've just devoured that plate. It was incredible. It obviously wouldn't be me if I wouldn't finish off with some dessert. So I'm gonna go and grab myself the brownies which I made before, and then I'm gonna have some Greek yogurt with it, so that it's gonna kind of feel like ice cream. The two things which really stayed with me throughout these months is definitely trying to walk a 10k steps every single day, and Greek yogurt. I honestly put Greek yogurt in every single thing. I have it for my breakfast, I add it to my salad, anything that kind of feels like it needs a sauce, or every time I feel like I need to add some protein, I know I'm just gonna add some Greek yogurt. I thought that to end this day on a good note and wrapping this video up, I would be doing a bit of dance workouts, because Anna's been recommending doing dance workouts this month every single day. They're just so fun. It's just like getting your body moving. This YouTuber is called a dance marshal and is the funniest thing. You guys should try it out. Honestly, it's so funny. So I thought that I would warm a bit up before bed by doing some dance workout.